Welcome back to childofgodphone.com. I'm David Ben Murphy. Here we have a regular Mac. We're going to open up a browser, Chrome in our case. We're going to NextDNS. That's nextdns.io. If you haven't set up your account yet, easy to do it. Just any email address and password. Free account is perfectly fine for what we're doing. Click here to go to the account we've set up, childofgod@telpax.com. This is our unique identifier, D16E3C. Go down a little further, and we're going to use the Apple Configurator Profile Generator from NextDNS. There we are, and we'll go add a few more options. We want it for the iPhone, and we want to choose our iPhone. We have the SE. You'll be choosing what you have. And in addition to that, we're going to prohibit disablements, so the NextDNS will always be in effect on cell or Wi-Fi. We're going to unsign the profile for now so we can make alterations. And we're going to download. Left click for downloading the configuration from NextDNS. Close the browser and go here to the Finder and go to Downloads. And there it is in Downloads. Right click, open with Apple Configurator. Free program, easily installed on the Mac if you don't already have it. Here in security, we're going to bring this down to authorization. We don't want the profile being removed except those that have the special code that I'm creating right now. Nothing too fancy. Oh, there it is. Now I did it. And now up here to restrictions. And here we add on to the NextDNS. So we're going to unclick allowing installation of apps, allow removing of apps. Let's see, what else do I want to add? Going down further. We want to take off the erase capability on the phone. We want to certainly get rid of VPN capabilities. And here we are. Erase all contents. Anything else here? I think we have it. I'm looking things over. Is there anything else I want? Oh, we definitely want to uncheck allow installing configuration profiles. Once your profile is installed, you don't want somebody installing a profile over it, effectively eliminating your profile. I think that does the trick. We now go up to File and sign the profile. And we have to use a ID we've already set up. This example company is an example of a dummy ID that works perfectly well. And in our other videos, it shows you how to do it when you initially hook up your iPhone to the Apple configurator on the Mac. You get prompted to set up a signing identity, and that we did that earlier. So we're going to sign the profile, and now we simply save it all. So easy. And now back to, there it is, back to downloads. That is our configuration profile. We can easily add it with the Apple configurator, but we can also add it later on. If your accountability partner uses the code, he could remove temporarily all the blocks and add a new Apple program or a new iPhone program or two, and then easily put back this configuration by using the email. We simply email this to the phone and easily put back in. That's the story for creating your configuration file, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.